back to my channel. So I will be doing a review for you guys and a tutorial. Okay, so this is the hair that I am going to review. Alright, so this is GX Beauty brand. Okay, got it from Amazon. It's under $10. Okay, so I get 3 packs for 24 pieces in each pack. Okay, so they have different colors. Alright, so this color is T1D Bug, which is burgundy, of course. So let me show you guys the hair. Alright, this is what the hair looks like. Alright, has curls. Okay, it's lightweight. Kind of smell a little bit, but you will have to try to wash the hair a little bit with some apple cider vinegar, and then you shampoo it. Okay, so let me count it. It's supposed to be 24 pieces. Alright, so you do get 24 pieces. Alright, I really love the hair. It's very soft. Okay, so this hair is 16 inches. Alright. 1/8 crochet needle, open the loop of the crochet hair. Alright, we're going to get crochet needle. You're going to slide your crochet needle under your little ponytail. Then you're going to open the latch, put the hair on the crochet needle, pull the hair through, open the loop, get your natural hair in the crochet hair, pull both of the hair inside the loop, pull your natural hair and the crochet hair through, and pull, not too tight. Then you're going to open the hair, then you're going to wrap the hair, open, wrap, open, wrap. You're going to open all the way down. Alright, y'all, I'm done with my hair, of course. So this is the only pack of hair that I have. Alright. So this hairstyle took me under 2 hours to do. I would say probably an hour and 45 minutes. Okay, it's just that simple and easy because I had apartment hair. Had to, you know what I'm saying, wash my hair, shampoo, all of that. So yeah. But let me show you guys my hair right quick. Had to put it up a little bit because it's kind of hot, okay? So I do love this hair. Of course, you guys already know that my favorite color is burgundy, okay? So, yes, I love it. So, get you some moisturizer hair oil to put in your hair after you're done with your hair, okay? Alright, oh yeah, and I only had like one pack of this here, okay, and I really love this here. But anyways, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate all of y'all. You guys be blessed, okay? I'm praying for all of y'all. God loves you, I love you, and be encouraged, okay? Peace out.